I'm Mr. Will Merchants. I am the manufacturing and welding instructor here at Homewood-Flossmoor High School. So manufacturing is a massive field, not only in the United States, but globally. Throughout just our supply chains, transportation, but any material or good that you have has been made. It has been designed, thought of, and had to be created. Manufacturing is massive. There are many jobs that are open and available as the baby boomers continue to retire, and unfortunately we don't have the skilled workforce yet to fully replace all of those openings. Manufacturing here at Homewood-Flossmoor is a couple of different tracks of courses. We have the advanced manufacturing side, which has courses such as woods and metals manufacturing, computer integrated manufacturing, and machine tool technology. And then we also have a welding program that has multiple levels, including welding 1 and 2, welding fabrication, and special projects on top of that.
I chose to take manufacturing because even from an early age, I always enjoyed working hands-on, whether it was with cars, with metal, with wood.
I decided to take this course because I like making things, and I think a lot of things are made with wood and metals, so I thought it would be nice to learn how to make different things and take this class.
The manufacturing classes are courses that are very hands-on, up out of your seat, moving around, running equipment, doing things. We make hammers, napkin holders, cutting boards, salt and pepper shakers, and that's only first semester in the woods metals class. In welding, not only do we get to teach you how to connect metal together to make projects, things that you'll get to take with you after the class, but it's one of the rare classes where you actually get to play with fire, and you're required to.
We get to use machines and stuff, and we get to build stuff, and also we get to move around, not sitting down all the time.
There's probably everything you can think of that has to do with manufacturing here, such as like welding. There's a mill, drill press, there's tons of different saws that are always being updated, so there's always stuff to use.
Something I've enjoyed the most in this class is making things. I actually made a cutting board. I had fun making that, and some of my friends are in the class, so it's also nice to hang out with them and make a project together.
2 months ago when I was taken to FabTech, it was the probably one of the largest indoor manufacturing programs where you were able to walk around and see all the latest and innovative technologies that companies have made.
If you're interested in any of the classes here offered in manufacturing or in welding, you can always feel free to reach out to me down here in lower G building, G2 specifically. I'd be more than happy to answer any of the questions that you may have. You can also reach out to your counselor, or you can go on the school website to find out more about our program, including our after-school club, Skills USA.
This manufacturing classes, they do teach you that there is more than just going to a standard college. You can go to a trade school, and this definitely gives you the right background to pursue those careers.
Manufacturing in the Chicagoland area is not going anywhere. It is an absolute base of manufacturing, as it has been for well over 2 centuries. The program that we have here at Homewood-Flossmoor is amazing. The technology that we have from our CNC equipment through all of the other modern machines that are available, not only including our laser engravers and our 3D printers, are the skills that the students need to have to be able to excel not only currently in the workforce, but for the future ready jobs that are going to be available out there.